Hello everyone. Next we are going to take our hair from both the sides, leaving rest of them untied. Then we are going to secure it with a rubber band and taking whole hair and making this low ponytail. After that we are going to take a rubber band and then we are going to apply it on our hair, and then we are passing the hair through itself so that this kind of pattern is made. After it's ready, you can convert the ponytail into this beautiful hairstyle. Next we are going to take our hair from both the sides, joining it with rubber band, then passing it through itself. After that we are going to take hair from both the sides and then passing it through the attachment we've made, and then you can see how we are doing it so that this hairstyle can be made. Then to the remaining untied hair from one side we are going to make a braid, and then you can see we are going to roll it out in this only, and then you can see your bun is ready. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we've taken our hair and then we are going to divide it into 3 sections. At the back we are going to make a ponytail by using this rubber band. Then we are going to take hair from one side, securing it with rubber band as shown, and then making a space in between and then passing it through itself. Repeating the same step with the other side also, and then you can see we are going to join both the sides together with the help of this rubber band. Then we are going to open the hair at the back and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are going to make a high ponytail at first. Then we are going to divide it into 2 sections and then taking rubber band and attaching it to the hair as shown. Then we are going to make a braid by applying a rubber band and then making this kind of hairstyle by passing the ponytail into itself, joining it again with this rubber band and then repeating the same step again and again. After that you can see your beautiful braid is ready. Now you can apply any kind of clip or clutches to it to make it look more good and amazing. At last we are going to give it a final touch by curving it from the end and applying this beautiful white clip. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we've taken all our hair and then we are going to make a high ponytail. After that we are going to fold it out, leaving some hair untied, and then we are going to apply a rubber band in here and completing the bun. Then you can apply any kind of rubber band or clip to it to make it look more good and beautiful. Thanks for watching.